all the whole units. Okay? For the x-axis and for the what? Y-axis. So all of them are what? They are rendered, right? Now the next thing is what? Is to write my word scale. Remember, you write your scale when you are done fixing all the whole units. And you ensure that everybody is happy. You find out what? Fix your word scale. Are you there? So let's go. Now I want to fix my scale. Now I'm coming to my y-axis. Okay? This is my x-axis. So x-axis. Okay. Now, for the y-axis, watch y-axis. So I come to y-axis now. You notice that the distance between one unit and the other. Let's check how many boxes that is involved. Look at it. From this 0, I have the first box. I have the what? Second box. I'm coming. Okay? So let's go. This is the first box. And what? And the second box. And watch. One box contains 5 lines and measures 1 cm. Are we there? Then 2 boxes is meant to contain 10 lines and measures what? 2 cm. From here to here, how many boxes exist in there? 2 boxes, right? From here to here is 1 box. And from here to here is another box. So that means here contains 2 boxes. Then they ask you how many lines is existing in the 2 boxes. Say what? 10 lines. Okay? English is very, very important. Okay, so this is 2 boxes. Are you following? Okay, so let's do it. Now you see, between one and another is what? Is 2 boxes. And 2 boxes measures what? 2 cm. Right? Why 1 box measures what? 1 cm. So you watch, between one and another is what? 2 boxes. Here, 2 boxes. Here, 2 boxes, 2 boxes, 2 boxes, 2 boxes, 2 boxes. Are you there? So I'm going to write that 2 boxes is measuring what? Measuring what? 2 cm, right? So 2 cm, because it is what? 2 boxes. Then represent what? Let's go there. Represent. Now let's take the units here. Now how many unit difference? Let's go there. Now 4 minus 0 is what? 4. 8 minus 4, 12 minus 8, 16 minus 12. And this they have 4 unit difference, right? So now move on. Okay, so let's go to the x-axis. Now for the x-axis. Now notice that who can tell you how many boxes is existing between one unit and the other? The x-axis. 2 boxes, right? So 2. 3 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 minus 3 is 1. So now we have 1 unit difference. So 1 unit difference. So I'm not fixing my unit. I have title of the word on the graph. Okay? The graph will have what? A title. Now remember, if you go to your question, they say plot a graph of number 1. They give you the graph of this, right? For the quadratic. And they gave another one. Take another one there. They gave another one, right? Yes. Yeah, so that means 2 graphs, right? So it's what? A graph of what? A graph of y is equal to what? 2x squared minus what? 3x minus what? 10. Are you there? And there is no one there. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay? So I'm plotting a graph of this and what? This. In this what? Graph. Are you there? Now, what's the next thing here? Let's know the value of the small line here. Those small lines you are seeing here, let's know the values. Likewise in the x-axis, likewise in the what? Y-axis. Now let's go there. Remember I taught you how to get those small lines, right? Now, value for the tiny lines. What does it stand for? Tiny line formula is going to be what? Unit difference over line difference. Okay, let's see that. Now, for the y-axis, let's go and know the value of tiny line in the y-axis. Let's go there. If I come to y-axis, I will use the scale to get both the unit difference and the what? And the line difference. Let's go. Unit difference. I will go to y-axis. Look at the unit here. Unit difference is what? It's 4. I'll put what? 4. Now, let's go to line. But here, I don't have line, but I have CM. Which is representing what? 2 boxes, right? And that 2 boxes contain how many lines? 10 lines. So now, this becomes 0.14. Geography. Now, let's go for x-axis. For the x-axis, quickly. For the x-axis becomes, unit difference is what? Is 1. I'll put what? 1. 2 boxes, right? Which is 10 lines. Become what? 10. This was 0.1. Alright, let's cross check. Let's go to y-axis. When I come to y-axis, I'll come here. Watch. Here is 0. The first tiny line here is 0.4. Let's go. 0.8. 1.2. 1.6. 2. You see, middle is 2. You see it? Since here is 4. I mean, middle is what? Is 2. Now, I have succeeded in fixing what? In fixing my scale and what? And all the whole unit and what? And the type. And we understood that the value of the tiny line in the x in the y-axis is what? Is 0.4. And the value of the tiny line in the x-axis is what? Is 0.1. So if we check it, it becomes from 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.9, 1. So it will be easy for you to track any number I want. So you see, if you come to the value of x, it's even is already stated clearly, and it's going to be easy for us because all the values of x is already here, right? Now where the job lies is what? Is on the y-axis. Now let's go. Coming to the first one. They say minus 3 and 17. Minus 3 and 17. So let's go. Coming to x-axis. Where's minus 3? Minus 3 here, right? Now let me go and place 17. Let me place 17. And the value that is closer to 17 is what? Is 16. So I'll start from 16 to count. Let's go. From 16, 16.4, right? We do again. 16.8. Right? What again? 17.2. So in between 16.8 and 17.2, here I have 17. Okay? So I'm going to mark this there. So here. Are we there? So I will trace. So come in here, 3, and go with 17. Okay? And both of them are mixing here. Let's go. Mixing here. That means are 3. So here. Okay? So I have marked my what? My there. So let's do it again. Next one is what? Is minus 2 and 4. Let's go. Minus 2 on the x-axis and 4 on the what? The y-axis. So we have both of them means is here. So you're using here. So I will put my plus sign. Remember to use your plus sign as what? As your point. Are you there? So let's go. Next one is what? 1 and minus 5. So minus 1 and what? And what? And minus what? 5. So minus 5 should be on the negative values of what? Y. So let's go. The point closer to 5 is what? Is 4. So let's go and get 5. So this is 4. 4.4, 4.8, 5.2. So in between 4.8 and 5.2, is where I have what? 5. So that should be here. You see it? That should work here. So and they are mixing at where? At minus 1. So they will meet here. And now so I'm going to meet here. Alright, so they are meeting here. Okay, so they are meeting here. Now next one is what? 0 and 10. Sorry, 0 and minus 10. So 0 and minus 10. So this is 0 for the x-axis. Here is minus 10. Okay? So on this line. Now let's go again. 1 and what? Minus 11. 1 and minus what? 11. So let's go for 11. So this one is minus what? 11. So 1 and 11. So let's get 11 here, minus 11 here. Let's go. I am 8.4, 8.8, 9.2, right? 9.6, 10, 10.4, 10.8, 11.2. So in between 10.8 and 11.2 is where I have 11, right? So and that should be here, right? So here is 10, 10.4, 10.8, 11.2. So in between 10.8 and 11.2 is what? Is 11. I know. So I'm not trying to spot where I have what? 11. So let's go. Now I'm going to connect to what? 1 and minus 11. So let's go. Look at 1 for x. Minus 11 is here. So move. And it's stopping here. Okay? So this is where I have it. Alright, so I have my points there. Then next one is what? Next one is what? 2 and minus 8. 2 on the x, minus 8 is this one on the y. So they are meeting here. They are meeting here. Okay? Alright? The next one is what? 3 and minus 1. So 3 and minus 1. Let's get minus 1 here. Let's go. Here is 0, right? 0.4, 0.8, 1.2. So in between 0.8 and 1.2 is what? Is what? Is 1, right? So that should be here. So here is 0, 0.4, 0.8, and 1.2. So in between 0.8 and 1.2 is what? Is 1. Which is what? Minus 1. Against who? Against 3. So this is 3. So I'll join. Okay, so that should be here. Okay, so this is what? So that should be what? That should be here. So okay, so now what are you doing? 4 and what? 10. So 4 on the x and 10 on the what? On the y. So where is 10 here? That should be what? Middle, right? This is middle. So let's go. Middle. So 4 here. Where is 10? Here is 10. Okay? So they are meeting here. Okay, so here become my 10. Okay? Are you following? Are you following? Okay, so this is my.
I said we should also plot a graph of what? Y is equal to 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. And this is a linear equation. That means a linear equation simply means that I'm going to draw a straight line. Am I making sense? A straight what? Line. So let's go. Now, coming here, I have actually prepared the table. But you see, the value of x didn't reach up to 5, right? Now, it simply means that it is not necessary. But if you have excess time in the exam, you can even fill it up to 5. It's your time that you are wasting. Are we there? But what you need to do is that get the starting point, get the middle point, and get the finishing point. That's what you did. 3 points. Okay? Which is minus 3 is the starting point. I'll put it here. 0 is the middle, or 1. Okay? 1 is the middle. So you can even choose either 0 or 1. Are we there? So I will choose what? 1. Middle. Then, where is the last point? 5. Now, do you see? These 3 points is enough to connect a straight line. Do you grab? So, from minus 3, I draw the line. It passes through what? 1 and end at where? At 5. Are you following now? Okay. So, now, what will now be the value of this box here? I'm going to use this equation and solve all three. Let's go. Coming here, the value of x is what? Is minus 3. So, put the minus 3 here. Now become 2 times minus 3 is what? Minus what? 6. So let's go. Put the 1 here. 2 times 1 is 2. Then 2 times 5 is what? 10. Then plus 3 doesn't have s, right? Then you run through. Now have plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3. Okay, so let's get the value of y. Minus 6 plus 3 is what? Is what? Minus 3.
Hey.
Then 2 plus 3 is what? Is 5. Then 10 plus 3 is what? 13. So my table is what? Is ready. So let me go and plot this table inside the same what? Graph. Are you there? Alright. So now let's go. Where's my red marker? Okay? I'm going to plot the graph for this one, for this table. So let's go. I have minus 3 here. I will look for minus 3 for x. So this is going to have minus 3 for x. I see it. Then I'll look for minus 3 for y. Where is minus 3 here? I'll look for it. Remember, the value of my tiny line in the y-axis is what? Is 0. What? 0.4. So let me find 3 here. So here is 0. First one is what? 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, 1.6, 2, right? We begin 2.4, 2.8, 3.2. So you see, between 2.8 and 3.2 is where I have what? 3. Are we there? So I'll put my point here. Okay? So let me connect it to what? To 3. So I'll connect it to 3. I'll connect to 3. Okay, so here I have the 3. Okay? Are we there? Alright, so let's go again. Then we have what? 1 and 5. 1 and 5. So 1 on the what? On the x-axis. Then 5 on the positive what? Y-axis. So let's now look for 5. So from 4, we head to 5. Let's go. 4, 4.4, 4.8, 5.2. So in between 5.2 and 4.8 is where I have 5, right? And that should be here. Okay? That should be here.
You got 4.6.
Sorry?
You got 4.6.
Let's go again. 4, right? 4.4, 4.8. Okay, sorry. 4, 4.4, 4.8, 5.2. Right? So in between 5.2 and 4.8 is where I have what? 5. Are we there? Okay, so let's connect it to what? 5. So where is 5 there? 5, okay, sorry. The 5 on the what? On the y-axis, and what? 1 on the x-axis. So let's connect two of them. So let's connect. Okay, so here. Alright, so you see that? So 1 and 5. So let's go. Last one is what? 5 on the x, 13 on the what? On the y. So here is 5. Let me look for 13 here. Let's go. 12, 12.4, 12.8, 13.2. So in between 12.8 and 13.2 is where I have what? Where I have what? 13. Right? Hope you can see it. Okay, so let's do it. I'll connect it to what? To I'll move. Okay, so here at 5. Okay, let's do here at 5. Alright, so I you see that. So you see 13, okay, alright, against what? 5. So this is the meeting point. Are we there? Next thing is what? Is to stand there. Now you see, this is my starting point. Are we there? This is the middle, and this is the what? The finishing point. Okay? So I can now do what? Draw my straight line and connect. Okay, so connect. Let's connect. Okay, so I'm adding this. Okay. So, can you see something there? Alright. Now I've gotten my straight line. Okay? I will circle the points. So let me circle the points. I'll circle the points. 1, 2, and what? 3. So now I've gotten my points. I believe you have done this. Okay? You have done this. Let me see your hands. To do is what? Sorry, next to do is what? Is to label the core. Are you there? Label the what? The core. Now, what is the equation guiding the core? You put it there. Look at. You can choose where to put it. Anywhere you see space, you put it. You can even use here to write your equation, or even use here to write your equation. But avoid here because something can come in here. Are you there? You can use here and what? Here. Am I making sense? So I prefer to use here. So let me label my core. Y is equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay? I've labeled the core. Who has done this? Okay? Now, what's the next thing there? It will label the straight line. To do what? Label the what? The straight line. So let me label my straight line. So, my straight line, which is what? Y is equal to 2x plus what? 3. Now, the reason why I'm doing all these things is to show you where examiner will deduct mark from your work in your graph. So I'm making sure I'm not leaving any stone on top. I'm touching every part. So once you're done with your curve, what do? You label your curve and label your straight line. So that it will help the examiner to know which equation is guiding the curve and which equation is what? Is guiding the what? The straight line. Am I making sense? Okay? So I believe VII. We are done with what? VII. Right? Okay.